The Missouri State Legislature taking up a bill looking into the effects of medicinal mushrooms for veterans.
Let's get to KSHB 41 News reporter Caroline Hogan joining us to tell us more. So Caroline, let's talk about this. What do we know potentially about the effects of medicinal mushrooms, and what does this bill say?
Yeah, there's been an array of studies like Ohio State University and JAMA that suggest that medical mushrooms, or psilocybin, aids in treating trauma, mental illness, and PTSD. Now that's where our veterans come in, and this here is House Bill 1154. It would allow trial to be done in Missouri to gather data on medicinal mushrooms as well as a few other drug treatments to see how they affect our veterans. A reminder, though, that this is the very, very beginning of this journey. We have a long way to go before we can actually get to legalizing psilocybin in the state. So I want to take you through a timeline of where this bill is right now. It was introduced this year in Jefferson City on Valentine's Day, with the public hearing about 14 days later. It passed the committee unanimously earlier this month, and now it's in the Senate for discussion. I talked to one man who's seen the effects of psilocybin firsthand and is involved in helping move this bill forward. He was involved in helping legalize marijuana as well in Missouri, and he said that legalizing psilocybin could be a lot harder for us than legalizing marijuana was.
There's a large swath of the population that uses marijuana and has for years. That swath isn't nearly as big when you talk about mushrooms. It is a much smaller group. Not, a lot of people say, well, once you do marijuana, you just go and try every drug out there. It's not the case.
So Mitchum explained that the amount of psilocybin in which you take is important. It needs to be heavily regulated because if you take too much, that's when it starts to get bad and the hallucinations start. And that's another reason why some people may be hesitant to actually legalizing psilocybin in the future.
And again, Caroline, this bill would not be to legalize medicinal mushrooms. This would simply be for a trial to happen in the state, right? What's the next step with that?
Correct. So this is for Missouri to gather data. The bill passed unanimously. Like I mentioned, it's now in the Senate, and supporters are hopeful that this bill will be passed by the end of the legislative session on May 13th so that they can start the trial as soon as possible. But it'll most likely be a year and a half before we hear anything about a bill to actually legalize medical mushrooms in the state.
That's an important timeline to stress there. A year to a year and a half, she says, before we could really hear about something happening statewide. Caroline, thank you.